We are pleased to show you the 2025 ARIYA. The Nissan ARIYA is an all-electric SUV that merges modern design with advanced technology. It features a sleek, spacious interior, impressive range, and a smooth, responsive driving experience, offering a blend of style and practicality for those seeking a sophisticated electric vehicle. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, speed control, power moonroof,